Here's why AlgoBars is the obvious choice for traders looking for the best trading platform available. Instant automated strategy development. Just type in your strategy in plain English and AlgoBars codes it for you and launches it to any market you want in seconds. What used to take thousands of dollars and years of research, done for you in seconds. Create strategies as complex as you can possibly imagine. The possibilities are truly endless. No coding experience needed. Just type in whatever you want and let AlgoBars do the most advanced analysis on the markets for you. Instantly scan and deploy market visualizers directly to your chart. Automate seamless execution. Sub-millisecond speeds ensure you get the best fills. AlgoBars runs server-side 24/7, so you don't need to keep your account logged in or device online while automated trades are running. No VPS or server needed. One-click deployment lets you move through your portfolio with precision. A complete backtesting engine, built with real-time down-to-the-second market data on over 20-plus years of historic charts, giving you the most precise analysis platform available. Replay engine and paper trading, so you can test your strategies in real time on live markets. 7 chart types and X-ray range bars, so you can see how markets are really moving from the inside. Thousands of indicators and indicator builder, allowing you to fuse indicators together to make unique custom analysis tools that suit your trading requirements. AI market scanner, multi-chart alerts, ghost orders, lot size risk calculator, trade journal, advanced order types, broker connectivity, all market types and devices covered. Copy trading, strategy marketplace, ready-made templates, execution engine, full CRM and admin suite. Cost to unlock everything? 0.